Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Tierra, but you can go ahead and call your girl T. We are going to go ahead and jump right into the skincare routine for my oily, hyperpigmentation type girl. So let's hop right into it. The first thing you want to use is this little face scrubber that I got from Walmart. They're literally like $2. They are so great. I'm using this Biore charcoal face wash, and this is the first wash that I use. And I literally just get the scrub in. You want to make sure that you really take your time with this and actually really scrub every area. Now I also do my neck as well, especially because I use a lot of makeup on my neck because my foundation never matches, but that's okay. I think it's very important to also take care of all of the skin around, not just your face, and a lot of people neglect that. I also use these little cotton cloths and I pat dry my face. They're actually for babies and they're just really so soft, and I love using them for my face. Now what I do is I wash my face a second time and I use the African black soap. This has helped with so much hyperpigmentation and just really cleared up my face, and it's also really helped balance out some of the oiliness that I get in my skin. I would say that I have oily to combination. Sometimes it's just worse than others, and I go ahead and pat dry that as well. Next thing I do is take out my nose ring. This is actually the hardest thing that I have to do, and I only use these strips on my nose once a week. But I do have bigger pores and a lot get in there, especially with me doing makeup, so it's really important for me to do this. I just leave this on for about 20 minutes. It's a little bit longer, but I am lazy and I like to put on the mask at the same time as that to kind of just speed up this process, because I only do this mask. I try to do the mask maybe like twice a week, but at the very least one time a week, and I'll do it at the same time as I'm doing my little nose strips. So this is my daytime routine, so I try to only leave this on for about 15 minutes. It says like 15 to 20. I go ahead and set my timer and, you know, just pass the time, do what you need to do, hit a little whoa, nothing too crazy. Hey, you guys know it's Halloween time, so I am so excited for it. Like this video if you're excited for Halloween. Alarm is so triggering to me, but my skin always feels amazing afterwards, and I'm totally fine with like not getting the mask on my nose because that area is just so oily. I'm just fine with leaving that strip on in the meantime. Now, one of my least favorite things to do is to actually take these off, but I rip it off and I usually try to examine the gunk. It's so gross. But then I use that cloth because at this point it is pretty wet, and I will wipe off all of the just excess debris that comes off with the little nose strips. You guys are feeling this video right now, go ahead and leave a comment down below. It really helps your girl out, and I know y'all want to help your girl out. So go ahead and comment down below and make sure you go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Now I'm using a nice serum. It is just here to like boost and brighten and lighten up all of your life, and I need it because you know your girl does not get the sleep that she used to get, and we're trying to keep this skin nice and young and bright and healthy. So I rub all of that in first, and I always wait a few minutes in between to really make sure that that product is able to soak into my skin. I think that is really important, especially when you're layering. Now I'm using the Age Perfect from L'Oreal on my eyes, and this is only for the eyes, and this is also a serum, and I just take the time and really rub that in all the way around and just really take the time to push that into the skin. You also want to rub outwards as much as possible and not down. I try to remember that while I am putting anything on my face, just because you don't want to be enforcing those wrinkles. We're trying to avoid them. We're trying to look young forever. Now I'm rubbing that all over my face, and also make sure you rub it into your neck as well. That is the key to this, because the first place you age is in your neck, and you want to push that upways. So now I mix this Neutrogena Tone Repair and this Revitalift together. This is a moisturizer, and I used to have really bad hyperpigmentation, and the Neutrogena really helped with that. So I still use that, and it's definitely been helping in general. keeping that skin nice and moisturized, especially as it's going to be getting colder. It's just so important. You want to keep moisturized, especially if you have oily skin. It does sound, you know, like it's kind of productive, but when you have dry skin, your skin will make up for it by creating more oil. So we don't want that. And this is basically the base and everything that you need to be doing before you even apply and do your makeup, because it's more important to have your skin healthy than it is for your skin to just look pretty. Let's make sure that happens, y'all. Take care of your skin. Now I put my hair down. I'm feeling myself. I put my nose ring kind of back in. That nose ring be blowing me, y'all. Comment down below if you have any piercings that are just so annoying but you can't let them go, because I cannot let my nose ring go. I'm gonna be 45 with a nose ring. And I read and respond to every single comment, so go ahead and leave a comment down below so we can chat it up. You know your girl loves to chat. That is my fall/winter morning routine. My skin is feeling great. I am ready to put my makeup on. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe if this video was helpful for you, and I will see you all in my next video.